Mastering Stock Market Cycles. Unlock the secrets to success. 2025. Here are the lessons to be learned from this blog. Lesson 1. Stock market cycles in the Philippines follow expansion, peak, contraction, and trough phases. Recognizing these shifts helps you time investments for maximum gains. Lesson 2. Bull markets thrive on growth, confidence, and strong fundamentals like GDP and earnings. In the Philippines, sectors like real estate and tech lead the charge. Lesson 3. Peaks signal overvaluation and a shift to caution as euphoria fades. Watch for slowing growth or policy tightening to avoid buying high. Lesson 4. Bear markets bring fear, falling prices, and opportunities in defensive stocks. In the Philippines, economic shocks, like inflation, can deepen the slide. Lesson 5. Troughs offer undervalued buys for patient investors aiming for long-term wins. A disciplined, diversified approach turns market lows into future highs. The rhythm of the market unveiled. Ever wondered why the Philippine stock market feels like a roller coaster? It's all about cycles expansion, peak, contraction, trough dancing to the beat of economic vibes. These waves aren't random. They're shaped by money moves, investor moods, and global shakes. Picture this. One day, stocks soar with optimism. The next, they crash with panic. Understanding these cycles is your ticket to mastering the market. In the Philippines, where typhoons, inflation, and peso swings spice things up, timing's everything. Get it right. And you're snagging bargains or riding growth waves. Get it wrong. And you're stuck in the trough. From Ayala land, booming in good times, to PLDT weathering storms. These cycles dictate winners and losers. Ready to crack the code of this wild ride? Let's dive into the phases and uncover how they shape your investing game in the Philippines. Bull market bliss, riding the highs. Welcome to the bull market, where the Philippine stock market shines bright. Picture rising prices, buzzing confidence, and wallets opening wide. Low interest rates, juicy corporate earnings, and happy consumers fuel this fiesta. Companies like Jollibee expand, tech startups soar, and real estate giants like MegaWorld cash in. Investors? They're grinning, betting on more gains. You'll spot clues: GDP's climbing, profits are fat, trading's hot, and sentiment's electric. In the Philippines, a booming tourism sector or a retail surge might spark this phase. It's the time to chase growth. Think SM investments riding high. But beware, euphoria can blind you to overpriced stocks. This is your chance to ride the wave, but keep your eyes peeled for the peak. Want to know when the party's over? Stick around as we climb to the top and spot the turning point next. Peak pressure. The calm before the storm. We've hit the peak, the Philippine stock market's dazzling summit. Prices are sky high, optimism's off the charts, and everyone's buying like there's no tomorrow. It's a frenzy. Stocks like BDO Unibank might trade way above their worth. Investors feel invincible, but cracks are forming. Earnings slow. Interest rates creep up. Or inflation bites warning bells in Manila's trading floors. This is the tipping point, where greed meets reality. In the Philippines, a global trade hiccup or a Banco central rate hike could dim the lights. The shift's subtle economic data still glows, but savvy players sense the vibe changing. Overvaluations, the trap buying here, could sting when the fall hits. Curious how this flips to a bear market? Let's plunge into the downturn and see how fear takes over the Philippine scene in the next chapter. Bear market blues. Surviving the drop. Brace yourself, the bear market's here, and the Philippine stock market's turning grim. Prices tumble. Fear grips traders, and sell-offs rule. Rising unemployment, peso woes, or a global slump might spark this slide. Investor vibes? Pure panic. Think of 2020's pandemic crash. Stocks, like Globe Telecom, took hits as uncertainty reigned. Defensive plays shine now. Utilities like Meralco or staples like Purigold hold steady when chaos strikes. Spot the signs. GDP shrinks, spending dries up, volatility spikes, and gloom spreads. In the Philippines, inflation spikes or export dips can deepen the rut. Risks everywhere, selling low locks in losses. But here's the twist. Bargains lurk for the bold. Blue chip stocks get cheap, setting the stage for a rebound. Want to outsmart the downturn? Hang tight as we hit rock bottom and unearth the Trough's hidden gems next. Trough to triumph, mastering the cycle. We're at the Trough, the Philippine stock market's darkest hour. Fear peaks, prices crater, and despair rules. Investors dump stocks, thinking it's over. But here's the secret. This is where fortunes flip. Undervalued gems like San Miguel emerge strong firms battered by panic, ripe for the picking. In the Philippines, a post-typhoon recovery or rate cuts might hint at light ahead. It's gut check time. Buy low, hold tight, and wait for the upswing. Cycles spin from economic gears: GDP, rates, earnings plus investor psyche, and policy moves. Master this, and you'll time your moves. Growth stocks in bulls, safe bets in bears. Diversify, rebalance, and think long-term. Compounding turns pesos into millions. In this unpredictable market, patience beats panic. Ready to ride the next wave? Grasp these cycles, and you'll turn Manila's market madness into your golden edge.